Tiny vial of Dude perfume. It's an oil perfume made with essential oils. It was like $150 on sale. So we're just gonna make our own. If you get cosmetics and dark glasses, always save these. They come in handy. So you're just gonna want to add a carrier oil. So I'm gonna do jojoba because you don't want it to be scent. Or I think half is always better. That way it stays fresh. Now the oils that I chose, the essential oils, were what is this? Ylang Ylang, sandalwood. That smells so good. Rose, one can do vanilla, and jasmine. And you're gonna, again, it's your nose, what you like, but you want to do 2 to 3 drops of each. If you like one more, do 3. Let me just give a fun fact. I don't wear perfume. It's not good for your hormones. So if I'm gonna do it when I go out, I do a little dab like this. It's strong. There's a lot of jasmine. So play around with the scents you like.